Love Granny Square tutorial. Can be used as a coaster or joined to make bags, blankets, etc. Yarn to 4-ply cotton. Magic ring. Hold yarn between pinky and ring finger. Wrap over index finger. Wrap around middle finger once. Hold the crossover point. Insert hook through the loop. Pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Magic ring completed. This counts as the first chain. Remove loop and hold. Make 2 more chains. Yarn over and pull through loop. Second chain. Make 1 more. 3 chains. For better symmetry. These 3 chains count as the first double crochet. Beginners place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain. This is the first stitch of round 1. Then, work a double crochet into the ring, yarn over, hold. Insert hook into the large starting ring. Pull up a loop. Three loops on hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops, double crochet completed. Stitch looks like a V from the side. This is the 2nd stitch. Then make 11 more double crochets, including the first 2 stitches. Round 1 total, 13 double crochets. Finish the rest yourself. Place marker in last stitch when done. Then tighten the ring, pull the short end. Then slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert hook into first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the right. Don't pull this slip stitch too tight. Skip the 1st and 2nd stitches of round 2. Leave them unworked. Work into the 3rd stitch. Marker is in 1st stitch. Here is the 2nd stitch. Here is the 3rd stitch. Work a treble crochet into the 3rd stitch. Yarn over twice. Hold. Yarn over again. 2 loops on hook. Total 2 wraps. Insert hook into 3rd stitch. Pull up a loop. 4 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. 3 loops remain. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. 2 loops remain. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. 1 treble crochet completed. Place marker in the slip stitch. I forgot earlier. Make 7 more treble crochets into same stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert into same stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3 times. Finish the remaining 6 stitches. Forming a fan shape. After 8 stitches. Work a double crochet into next stitch. Move to the right a bit. Don't miss the stitch. Double crochet is slightly shorter than treble crochet. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then, in same stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over. Insert into same stitch. Pull up a loop. 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Half double crochet completed. Slightly shorter than double crochet. Keep the curve natural. Next stitch, half double crochet increase. 2 HD in same stitch. First 1. Second 1 in same stitch. 2 completed. Next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Then, in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Double crochet is slightly taller than half double crochet. Beginners place marker in this double crochet. Half of the heart is completed. Remaining half is worked symmetrically. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet increase, 2 HDC in same stitch. Next stitch, work 1 half double crochet, then in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Double crochet is slightly taller. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, 8 treble crochets. This corresponds to the first set of 8 treble crochets. 7 stitches remaining. Finish the rest yourself. After 8 stitches, last stitch is at the green marker. Skip it. Symmetric to round 1. Then slip stitch to the blue marker stitch. Slip stitch to join. Fasten off. Heart section completed. Change yarn for next round. Round 3 starts from the bottom. Attach new yarn at marked stitch. Insert hook. Pull yarn through. Make 1 chain as turning chain. Does not count as a stitch. Then work single crochet into left stitch. Insert hook. Place tail over hook to weave in ends. Yarn over, pull up loop. 2 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. 1 single crochet completed. First stitch of round 3. Beginners mark first and last stitch of each round. Then make another single crochet in same stitch. This is a single crochet increase, 2 SC in same stitch. Next stitch, half double crochet. Weave in ends as you go. Slightly taller than single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Slightly taller than half double crochet. Maintain a smooth curve. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Treble crochet is taller than double crochet. Then make 3 chains. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Slightly shorter than treble crochet. First corner completed. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 single crochet. Weave in tail for 6 to 7 stitches. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet increase, 2 SC in same stitch. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then make 3 chains. Second corner completed. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Next 2 stitches, half double crochet each. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch is the slip stitch. Work a treble crochet here. Remaining half worked symmetrically. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Weave in this tail as you go. Next 2 stitches, half double crochet each. Next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Then, in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then make 3 chains. Third corner completed. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet increase, 2 SC in same stitch. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Then, in same stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Then make 3 chains. 4th corner completed. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Then in same stitch, work 1 double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. In the last stitch, work a single crochet into the starting stitch. Then slip stitch to first stitch. Round 3 completes the square shape. Round 4, start with 3 chains. Count as first double crochet. For better symmetry, beginners place marker in 3rd chain. Work double crochet in next 5 stitches. Keep height even. Finish yourself. Then in chain space, work 2 double crochets. Then make 3 chains. Then 2 more double crochets in same space. First corner completed. Work double crochet in next 5 stitches. Don't miss these. Finish yourself. 1 pattern repeat completed. Repeat 3 more times. Pattern. Except corners. 11 double crochets per side. Corners are 2DC, 3C, TDC. Except first DC of round is replaced by 3CH. Rest are normal double crochets. Finish yourself. At last, double crochet. Change color. When 2 loops remain on hook, join new color. Yarn over with new color and pull through both loops. Leave tail of old color and cut. Slip stitch to first stitch. Round 5. Make 1 turning chain. Does not count as stitch. Work single crochet in same stitch. Work single crochet in next 7 stitches. Weave in ends as you go. Finish yourself. After 8 stitches. In chain space, work 2 single crochets. Then make 2 chains. Then 2 more single crochets in same space. Work single crochet in next 7 stitches. Finish yourself. 1 pattern repeat completed. Pattern for this round. Corners. 2SC, 2C, 2SC. 15 single crochets per side excluding corners. Finish yourself. Leave tail and fasten off. Invisible finish with yarn needle. Insert through first stitch, then through back loop of last stitch. Weave in ends on wrong side. Weave in any remaining tails the same way. Trim excess yarn.